yoga for cough. 1 2 3 hold it breath 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4. This is a baby cobra pose. This is also very good yoga posture. And this is also very good for chest opening. Inhaling 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is also very good for cough problem. The Viparita Karani Yoga Asana. Namaskar, good morning everybody. Me Asana teacher Shiva Pokhrel, my channel Yoga and Fitness with Shiva. Today I am going to give a very important yoga topics that name is yoga for cough. Especially in this time, many people are suffering from fever, common cold. Some are suffering from continuously attacking by viruses, and their body especially is not properly working their daily life. Therefore, if you are a newcomer in my channel, you can subscribe my channel, like my video and comment on the comment box. If you feel this video is very useful for your friends, colleague and loved one, you can share this video in any social networks. Especially when you are suffering from viral, any types of viral, first of all you can always nose running, and then slowly you can face by fever 1 or 2 days. Then your bodies or especially in our sinus area, your cough is increasing. According to your cough, regularly you are feeling uneasy. Especially this is a 4th day or 3rd day you are suffering from especially cough problems. Therefore, I am going to give you the very special tips and techniques how to cure or home remedies by practicing some yogasana and some Ayurvedic herbs to such types of problem. Therefore, let's start today's video. You can always follow the Sattvic rule and regulation. You can take a warm water shower is also very good. Then you can take lots of liquid, especially you can take the coconut water is also very excellent for our bodies, magnesium as well. Then you can take the especially warm water. You can early in the morning you can warm water. You can take the especially home remedies, flaxseed. Take 100 gram flaxseed, 100 milliliter especially milliliter especially you can take honey, and then you can 30 gram of the black pepper and make the kanda. That kanda is also very excellent for our cough. Especially in my practice, I always used some 5 leaf of the GABA, or especially you can amba, you say amba's leaf. Then secondly you can take the 4-5 pieces of the especially black pepper and 4-5 pieces of the clove. Then you can make the especially kanda, and you can reduce your water nearly half water. Then you can take. That is also excellent. I always used to apply this kanda in my daily life. Therefore, this is also very excellent practice for our to improve our cough problems. Then you can slowly take other types. You can take ajwain is also very good for cough problem. Other is you can take the ginger turmeric, then you can take other herbs, especially honey is also excellent practice for cough problem. Then you can take the giloy is also very good for cough problem to improve our immunity system, to improve digestive system. In this time, digestive system is also going to deteriorating day by day because of our cough problem. Then you can slowly improving your cough problem. If we take muleti, you know about the muleti is also very good for cough problem. Then you can apply the one very my own method. You can take some make paste of the ginger, and there is put some honey. Then at the night time, when you are going to sleep, at that time keep your this ginger with honey in your mouth. That is also very good for cough problem. You can apply such tiny things or subtle things in your daily life. Then you can perform some yoga asana. Among them, first and foremost important, I think that especially you can practice some chest opening yoga posture and some throat yoga posture. That is also very good for our cough problem. Then you can apply. Then first and foremost important yoga posture is you can apply the Ustrasana or camel pose. Let's start. Slowly inhaling 1, 2, 3, hold your breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, exhaling 1, 2, 3. This is also very excellent yoga posture. Then you can apply the other important yoga posture for cough problem. If you are suffering from cough, is fish pose. This is also very excellent practice. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then slowly you can lie down yogasana. First of all, lie down on the Dradasana and you can apply Bhujangasana. This is a baby cobra pose. This is also very good yoga posture for our chest opening, especially cough problem. Then you can apply very simple yoga posture is you can apply the Bhujangasana or snake pose. Slowly exhaling, coming on the center. Then you can practice Dhanurvakra Asana. This is also very good for chest opening. Slowly you can relax on the Makarasana. Relaxation is very necessary at this time because we are suffering from immunity system problem and our body is very lethargic and especially fatigue. Then slowly you can lie down on the supine position. Then you can practice the bridge pose or Setubandha Asana. Slowly inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhaling 1, 2, 3. Then you can practice some throat chakra asana, that is called the Sarvanga Asana. This is also very good for cough problem. Then you can slowly practice the Viparita Karani Yoga Asana. Then you can apply the Hala Asana. Then slowly you can apply this Shavasana. Then lie down on the right side and slowly wake up. You can take lots of rest in this time. Take lots of liquid or warm water, and then you can practice some very important and very beneficial pranayama. That name is, you can practice Ujjayi pranayama. Hold your tongue and inhaling. Then you can practice the Kapalbhati pranayama as well. Thank you for watching my videos completely. If you are newcomer in my channel, you can subscribe my channel, like my video and comment on the comment box. I am going to sum up today's video with Shantari mantra. Om Astoma Satagamaya Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya Mirturma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you for sadhana sankalpa dedication. Inhaling, rub your palm. Keep your palm on your eye. Blink your eye. Namaskar yogis. Bye bye yogis. Have a nice day.